Have you ever felt nervous because you needed to speak English at the post office? Maybe you wanted to mail a birthday gift, send important documents, or buy stamps, but you weren't sure what to say. Don't worry. In today's lesson, you'll experience a real visit to an American post office. You'll hear natural conversations, useful everyday expressions, and friendly customer service English that people really use in the United States. Just relax. Listen carefully, and imagine you're there with Emma. Let's begin. It was a beautiful Tuesday morning in early autumn. The weather was cool, and the streets were calm. Emma had spent the weekend choosing a birthday present for her grandmother. She carefully wrapped a white ceramic coffee mug, a handwritten birthday card, and a small bag of homemade cookies inside a sturdy cardboard box. She smiled as she tied a blue ribbon around the package. Her grandmother lived in Chicago, nearly 1,000 miles away. Emma wanted everything to arrive safely before her birthday. This was the first time Emma had mailed a package by herself in America. She felt excited, but also a little nervous. She picked up her backpack, grabbed the package with both hands, and walked toward the neighborhood post office. The glass doors opened automatically. Emma stepped inside. The post office felt bright, clean, and peaceful. Several customers were already waiting. A young father was mailing school supplies to his daughter. An elderly woman was buying holiday stamps. A businessman was sending important documents overseas. Emma quietly joined the line. While waiting, she looked around. She noticed shelves filled with shipping boxes, padded envelopes, colorful greeting cards, tape, and rolls of stamps. A television screen displayed customer numbers. Soft instrumental music played quietly through the speakers. Little by little, the line moved forward. Finally, the clerk smiled at her.
Good morning. How can I help you today?
Good morning. I'd like to mail this package, please.
Certainly. Where is it going today?
It's going to Chicago, Illinois.
Wonderful. Is there anything fragile, liquid, or perishable inside?
Yes. There's a ceramic coffee mug. It's wrapped very carefully.
Perfect. Thanks for telling me. I'll make sure we mark the package as fragile. That helps everyone handle it with extra care.
I really appreciate that. I want it to arrive safely.
We'll do our best.
The clerk gently placed the package onto the digital scale. He looked at the computer screen while entering a few details. A small printer quietly printed a shipping label. Emma watched everything carefully. She had never seen the mailing process before.
Your package weighs just under 2 pounds.
Oh, that's lighter than I expected.
You packed it very well. Everything looks secure. Did you use bubble wrap inside?
Yes. I wrapped the mug several times because I was worried it might break.
That was a smart idea. Proper packaging makes a big difference.
I'm glad to hear that.
Now, let's talk about shipping options. Would you like regular shipping or priority mail?
I'm not really sure. Could you explain the difference?
Of course. Priority mail usually arrives within 1 to 3 business days. It also includes tracking. Regular shipping usually takes about 5 to 7 business days. It's a little less expensive.
Does priority mail include insurance?
Basic coverage is included, but you can also purchase additional insurance if you'd like extra protection.
I think my grandmother's gift is worth protecting. Let's use priority mail.
Excellent choice. It should arrive well before her birthday.
That's exactly what I was hoping for.
Would you like to add extra insurance to your package?
How does that work?
If your package is lost or damaged during shipping, insurance helps cover the value of the items inside.
That sounds useful. How much does it cost?
For this package, it would be $3.
That's reasonable. I'd like to add the insurance, please.
Absolutely. I'll include it with your shipment.
Thank you. It gives me peace of mind.
Many customers choose insurance when they're sending gifts or valuable items.
I can understand why. This gift means a lot to my grandmother.
I'm sure she'll appreciate both the gift and your thoughtfulness.
The clerk printed a shipping label and placed it neatly on the counter. Before attaching it to the package, he carefully reviewed the information one last time. Accuracy was important. Even a small mistake could delay the delivery. Emma leaned forward to check every detail.
Could you please confirm the recipient's address?
Of course.
1458 West Lincoln Avenue, Chicago, Illinois. Zip code 60614. Is everything correct?
Yes, that's exactly right.
Excellent. And your return address is here in Seattle?
Yes. That's my current address.
Perfect. Everything looks good. I'll attach the label now.
Thank you for checking it so carefully.
It's always better to double-check than make a mistake.
I completely agree.
The clerk finished preparing the package and entered the final shipping information into the computer. The payment terminal lit up. Emma reached into her wallet and took out her debit card.
Your total today is $15.95.
Can I pay with my card?
Certainly. Please insert your card whenever you're ready.
Okay. There we go.
You may leave it in the reader until it finishes processing.
No problem.
For a few quiet seconds, the payment terminal displayed a spinning circle. Then a soft beep echoed across the counter.
Your payment has been accepted.
Great. That was quick.
Yes. Our system is usually very fast.
That's good to know.
Here's your receipt. And here's your tracking number. Please keep both in a safe place.
I definitely will.
As Emma placed her receipt inside her wallet, something colorful caught her attention. Near the counter was a display filled with beautiful stamps featuring flowers, national parks, wildlife, and famous American landmarks. Emma smiled. She had almost forgotten something important.
Excuse me. I'd also like to buy some stamps.
Of course. How many would you like?
I'm not sure. How many stamps come in a book?
A standard book contains 20 forever stamps.
What are forever stamps?
They're stamps you can use anytime for a standard first-class letter, even if postage prices increase in the future.
Really? That's very convenient.
It certainly is. That's why there are most popular stamps.
I'll take one book, please.
No problem. Here you are.
The clerk handed Emma a colorful booklet decorated with beautiful wildflowers. Emma admired the design for a moment before placing it carefully into her backpack.
These are really pretty.
They've been very popular this year.
I have one more question.
Go right ahead.
How can I check where my package is after I leave?
That's easy. See this number on your receipt? That's your tracking number.
Okay.
Simply visit the USPS website and enter that number. You'll be able to see where your package is and when it moves to the next location.
Will I know when it arrives?
Yes. The tracking page will show when it's delivered. Sometimes you'll even see the delivery time.
That's wonderful. It'll help me know when my grandmother receives her gift.
Exactly. Many customers check the tracking page every day until their package arrives.
I probably will too.
I don't blame you. Sending gifts is always exciting.
Everything was finished. There were no more forms to sign. No more questions to answer. Even so, Emma wasn't in a hurry to leave. She felt much more comfortable speaking English now than she had just 15 minutes earlier.
Thank you for being so patient with me. This was my first time mailing a package here.
You did great. Honestly, you asked all the right questions.
I was a little nervous before I came in.
That's completely normal. Many people feel nervous the first time. The important thing is that you tried.
I think today gave me a lot more confidence.
I'm happy to hear that. The more you practice English in real situations, the easier it becomes.
I'll remember that.
And don't hesitate to come back if you ever need help again.
I definitely will.
Emma carefully placed the receipt and the book of stamps into her backpack. She adjusted the straps on her shoulders and looked around the post office one last time. The place no longer felt unfamiliar. Instead, it felt welcoming. She smiled warmly at the clerk before walking toward the exit. Sunlight poured through the large glass doors. As she stepped outside, she took a deep breath of fresh air. She felt proud of herself. Only a short time ago, she had been worried about speaking English. Now she realized that a simple conversation could teach her so much. As Emma walked toward a nearby park, her phone began to ring. It was her friend, Sarah.
Hi, Sarah.
Hey, Emma. How did everything go at the post office?
It went much better than I expected. Everyone was so friendly.
That's great. Were you able to mail your grandmother's birthday gift?
Yes. I even learned how to track the package online.
That's useful. I've never done that before.
The clerk explained everything step by step. It was actually very easy.
See? You were worried for nothing.
I know. I feel much more confident now.
I'm really happy for you.
Emma found an empty bench beneath a large maple tree. She sat down for a moment and looked at the receipt again. The tracking number was printed clearly at the bottom. She imagined her grandmother opening the package a few days later. She pictured the smile on her face as she read the birthday card and unwrapped the coffee mug. That thought made Emma smile. Learning English wasn't only about memorizing words. It was about connecting with people. It helped her complete everyday tasks, solve real problems, and share meaningful moments with the people she loved. She folded the receipt carefully and placed it safely back into her wallet. Then she stood up and continued walking home with confidence. Today, Emma successfully mailed a birthday gift, purchased stamps, learned about shipping options, insurance, and package tracking, all while speaking natural American English. Every real-life conversation is an opportunity to improve your listening, speaking, and confidence. Don't be afraid to ask questions. Don't worry about making mistakes. The more you practice, the more comfortable English will become. One simple conversation today can become your confidence tomorrow. Thank you for listening. We'll see you in the next easy English listening lesson.